Using frames on Canva allows you to design a story for a person who's going to see the book cover or the social media post or whatever you're using. It allows you to frame the conversation just the way that you want. So we're going to be creating an ebook cover. One way, okay, this one, the picture was just added, no frames used, and the story is quite different to this one, where you're saying to somebody how to travel Europe and you're giving them a story and a picture, not one, a couple of them, in order for you to frame the conversation and in their mind to guide them how to get to Europe by showing them different kinds of pictures using frames. Let's jump in on Canva and tell the story. Canva homepage, you're going to search for book cover. Did you know that Canva has beautiful book covers that you could be using for your ebooks? 1,372 templates to be exact. You can scroll through, pick one and edit that. Today we're going to pick a blank book cover and we're going to be using our frames to shape the conversation of the person who's going to be seeing our book cover. So once you have your canvas open, I'm going to make it a little bit big so we can see. You can pick any color that you would like to have your design be. And then you're going to go to your elements and you're going to either click on the frame that's there or you could scroll down. It's just easy to use the menu that's there. You have all sorts of different kinds of frames that you could use for your design. We are picking the triangle shape frame and we're going to be using this to frame our story. So you just click on it once and then you size it to whatever size that you like. And then once you're happy, you're good to go. You're going to Control C and Control V to duplicate that shape so that you have an up, down, up kind of a design for your frames. So in order for you to have them aligned, you just highlight all of them. You go to position and then you can group them vertically or horizontally. It looks like they are vertically aligned. That's why I don't have that option. So now you've got your frames that you've added. I want to add another frame where I'm going to add the author's picture as part of the conversation. So you scroll down and you find a round frame like that one. There's even frames that have borders. When you scroll down, there's more frames that you could be using to shape the conversation of your designs when you are designing for especially social media or even this gorgeous book cover. Once you're done adding your frames, you're going to go back to your elements and now you're going to be searching for pictures that are going to frame the conversation. So the person is going to be traveling Europe. So you click on, you hold the picture that you want to add to the frame and you just, when you move it like this, you can just drop it on the frame itself and then it's in there. If you want to edit the frame or the picture in the frame, you can click on crop and then you can make it big. Unfortunately, it only takes the size of the frame. You can't make it smaller than the frame. And when you're happy, you click on done and that's how you adjust the picture in the frame. You can even flip if you want to and you just add additional pictures that frame the conversation of this person that's going to be traveling in Europe. And you just drop your pictures like that. And it shows a nice picture. You can even have one picture that goes through all of the frames saying a story to the person who's going to be reading your book. And when you want to add a picture for the author, you upload it and you go find it. I'm going to use this lady as an example. You drop it in there. Again, you can also make it big, make it small, and then you're good to go. If you want to edit the image, you just click on edit image and then you can adjust it by clicking on see all and then making the picture dark, making the picture bright and contrast and so on. For you designing a frame, that's pretty much it, because what you're going to do now, you're going to press T for text and then you add your text. So I'm not going to bore you with adding the text. I'm just going to add the text and then finish up the design. You can even group them like this and then size them to whatever size that you want, just to have a nice kind of a design going on over here. or just wrote a book on how to travel to Europe. That is how you use your frames when you're designing. And it's pretty much the same if you are adding them on social media, or if you're adding them on social media posts, or if you're adding them anyway. Frames are a beautiful way of telling a story. If this video has added value, please don't forget to smash the like button. YouTube will then share it with other people. Last question, if you want me to create a video on how to create your own frame, because you could create your own frame instead of using the frames that are provided by Canva, let me know in the comments below. I will see you on the next video.